guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this look and not look like yourself. This is like one of my favorite looks that I've done. So this is a nighttime makeup look where you're going out for a party, and that is why the eye makeup is very heavy and dark, and so is the contour, and like everything is very heavy. Like the highlight, I would not use this highlight for like a daytime look. So yeah, and you're gonna see that I do not look like this. I mean, I do not look this pretty, this well done, this amazing, and you're gonna see that in a second. And this is why I try to make this video, because I am so tired of like perfect people doing their makeup, and like you don't really see like a transformation, and you're just like, okay, you were already pretty, like whatever. So this time you're gonna see an ugly person turn themselves into a pretty face. And yeah, if you're interested, please keep on watching. So now that I look uglier than before, I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare. Basically, when I wake up, I wash my face and then I use this soothing eye mist as a face toner. So I'm just gonna spray it. This is supposed to be just for the eyes and to like wake them up, but I use it on my whole face because I'm obsessed with toners and spraying something on my face because it feels just so refreshing. This is the bottle. It's very small. It's the size of my hand. So it's supposed to be sweet orange and chamomile, but it smells like cinnamon. Like it smells like rotten cinnamon. Don't ask me why, if like that's just what it smells like. It smells nothing like an orange, and I'm wasting too much time on this, but now I feel like I want to spray it again. So now I'm gonna prime my face, and I'm using this Inside primer. It's supposed to be like a 3-in-1, primes, protects, moisturizes, but don't believe that. Just use this as a primer. And I'm gonna use like a very tiny amount, this much. This product is so soft, feels like silk. I don't really have, well, I do have pores, but I don't feel like I have very huge pores. I just have them around my nose. A primer, basically, it's so soft that it will like give the makeup a very good area to sit in. It gets the face ready for makeup. And next I'm going to apply my foundation, which is this one by Maybelline. This one's dark for me, so I'm going to mix this with this Fenty Beauty, which is light for me. Yeah, I'm going to use a very tiny amount, like that much, which is not a lot. And then I'm going to mix it with my finger. Now I'm gonna apply this foundation all over my face. I think I'm doing all of this like without a mirror, because I have a mirror right at the back side. Right, why can't I speak? I have a mirror, but the mirror is being blocked by the camera that I'm using. Let me just look at myself. Yeah, this is not bad actually. Yeah, we're gonna work with this and start blending in the foundation. So on my last video, some people commented that I used a lot of makeup and that it could paint a wall, which we don't use foundation to paint walls. I know this might be news for you, but we don't. I'm done with my foundation, and now I'm going to conceal my face, but I don't really have a concealer because my concealer is over. I'm just gonna use this foundation that I used. It's lighter than my skin, so it's going to work, and I'll show you how. Take a very small amount. Take a small amount and just smile, and then see where your face is making like a triangle. Like mine is going till here, like this. And then now I'm just applying it here. It really doesn't need to be as perfect as the beauty gurus show it, especially if you're just learning and just starting out, like, it doesn't matter. It's fine. You can still work through it. Now that I look like this, I'm gonna blend it out. Now I'm gonna powder my face to just set the foundation and concealer where they are, and so that they don't move anywhere. And just like very softly patting it all over my face and my neck. You can also use a setting powder, but since this foundation is already very mattifying, I don't need a setting powder. Now I'm gonna set my face. So the video cut off and I don't really know where we cut out from, but I was applying this setting spray, and I love setting sprays, and just makes my life better. And do not inhale while applying this because it smells like nail polish remover. And some people would use the setting spray after contouring, but I just can't wait to set my face, so I just use it after applying the base. Which, like, wow, Vitica, you're supposed to be teaching people, and that's your criteria. Like, you do it just because you like it. But anyway guys, makeup has no rules. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna contour. I'm using this Savannah contour palette. This is what it looks like. So finding where to contour might take you 2 or 3 times of using it, but just make your face like this and then go where the line is. Just go like a little above where your face is, like, go just a little bit above where your face is curving, just like right here. I'm gonna like drown my face in contour, and it might look weird at first to you guys, but just give it 10 minutes and like you'll get used to it. You guys, I cannot believe the difference lighting makes to like your face. Like, I'm already sure that you guys like this side better because the light is coming directly from this side. This is what I meant when I say I love watching imperfect people doing their makeup. Like, look at me, I'm a mess, and the transformation is like going to be worth it. Contour everything, just go ham with it. That the contour is going to look fine in like 10 minutes, and you're going to get used to how it looks, and you feel like something is wrong, just use your compact and apply it like so. Cut the contour, yeah, make it sharper on both sides. Please do not forget to do it on both sides. But if it still doesn't, just pat it all over your contour. Like, that will make it look better. But I feel like this side the contour is a little bit higher right here, so I'm gonna use it a little bit. And now it kind of looks even. Like, that's how simple it is to fix things when you do makeup. Oh no! I spilled my foundation. You guys, I spilled my foundation. Oh no, I'm taking a photo. And I'm gonna attach it with the video right here. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I use this eyeshadow palette for it. This eyeshadow palette sucks. Please do not buy it. It's the L'Oreal Paris La Palette Nude, and it's been a while since this released, but please do not buy it. This palette is not going to suit you if you have like medium to dark skin tone, which I do. And like, the color schemes suck. This shade is too light. These shades will not even show up. It's not pigmented. It looks like skin. Like, this sucks. The only eyeshadow that I use is this one, and I use it for my eyebrows, and that's what I'm gonna use right now. Just gonna dip in a little bit and start from here. Did I mention that this palette is like severely overpriced? Not worth the money. And just do light strokes so that it looks more natural and not like it's drawn on. My eyebrows aren't done, which is why I'm spending more time than normal on it. Now I'm gonna use a black eyeshadow just to like, so I have these bald spots right here in my eyebrows. It's like space which I have no hair there, which is honestly shocking because I have hair everywhere. But I'm just gonna fill this up, and I'm using a black eyeshadow because since it's a bald spot, you need like a darker black to match the natural hair color. It looks less fake that way. Now let's apply blush, and normally I would use a darker blush than this, but right now I only have this one available. It's from Miss Claire. It's like a blush stick. So it's time to do my eyes now, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a darker brown and apply it on my crease, which is right where the eyes fold. Like, see this line right here? This is where you're supposed to apply like a darker color, and that's how you do it basically. And please do not forget that this is like a nighttime look, so it doesn't matter if it looks heavy. Now I'm using a lighter brown just to blend the color well. Now I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow and I'm gonna apply it at the outer corners of my eyes, right here, and just take it to like 1/3 of the eye and not go too deep. We're just gonna focus it on the outer part and deepen it right there. And the key here honestly is just to keep blending and take your sweet time doing that. I'm gonna wing it up and make it go upwards a little bit, taking a lighter brown again and just blending everything up. Taking a smaller brush, and you can use the sponge that this comes with, just apply the black at the bottom as well, just on the outer portion, just a little bit, and that's it. Like, that's how much you need to apply. Using the same brush, I'm gonna apply this golden shade at the inner corners just to make the eyes pop a little bit. I honestly feel like doing every step is like crucial to doing makeup, but I feel like this part really makes my eyes like pop and like gives a really nice shape to my eyes. Next I'm gonna use Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty. It's a highlighter, but I'm gonna use it on my eyes. And if you guys follow SJ Loves Jewelry or Shreya, you might have seen her review this and say that it works better as an eyeshadow, which honestly I kind of agree with, because the glitter particles are a little bigger for like a highlight. But honestly, if you're going a little extra, I feel like this highlighter is perfect. I'm gonna use my fingers to apply it as my highlight. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I hope you guys can see, like, it's very yellow. And I do use a highlighter brush to like blend it a little bit after I go in with my fingers. So now it's time to apply eyeliner, but my eyeliner dried up, so we're gonna use a kajal. Today I'm also going to show you guys how to use kajal as your eyeliner, and I'm gonna wing it up so you'll see how to do that. Oh my god, this looks so extra right now. I'm starting at the edge and taking it just a little bit outside my eye, yeah, and then I'm gonna wing it out like so, little by little. Oh my god, I can't talk. And then use your nail to like sharpen it. It works, guys, please don't judge me. Then I'm just gonna bring it inwards And just like that, you have a winged eyeliner, and we're done. I'm just gonna do this on the other side and come back. I'm also gonna use the kajal in my waterline, just a little bit, just like going it till here, not more than that. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. For mascara, I use 2 mascaras. This is a sample size of the Clinique High Impact Mascara. So this mascara lengthens your lashes, like it gives a lot of length, and this one gives a lot of volume. So these two together are like a perfect combination. And like, it's such a coincidence that the day I started using this, I saw Devashri talk about this mascara. But since my lips are pigmented, as you can see they're like brown, I use a nude lipstick first, and I would suggest using a lip liner which is very close to your lips first if you also have pigmented skin, and then go on with a gloss. But you can also use a lipstick like I am doing today. The lipstick I'm using is by Miss Claire. It's the shade 58. So for the gloss, I'm using this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. It's in the shade Fenty Glow. It's one of the best glosses I've tried, and smells so good. Smells like candy. I just want to like eat it up. God please. Hey guys, I am back. I straightened my hair and this is the final look. I love how it turned out. I love the highlight. I love the lashes. I love the liner. I love how my eye makeup looks, and I love the contour. I love the gloss. The blush I am not really a fan of, but like it looks fine. It doesn't really look out of place, so that's good. Yeah, I'm really happy with how this look turned out because we did have some technical difficulties, but like we pushed through it. So that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe because I'm going to be hosting a giveaway, and some of the products are going to be the ones that I used in this video. And yeah, I'll see you soon guys. Bye.